will be freedom in a time.
My inspiration is Kathy Burke because she is funny. She is not afraid of being kind of grotesque in the kind of theatrical sense. She doesn't shy away from being unattractive. She just is who she is.
I suppose person ysbrydoledig fi yw T.H. Parry Williams.
I have to say my heroes are my teachers. They totally made me believe in myself.
And if it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't be pursuing the career I'm pursuing.
Ni all terfysgoedd dear byth gyffroed ystawrwydd nef.
I'd probably say Maya Angelou is really inspirational to me and a huge role model. She's done a lot for black women in general and all around the world, and also she's done a lot for feminist literature.
A ganad ydym yn byw ar hyd y daith o gri yn geni hyd ein holaf gwyn yn ddim ond crych dros dro ni'n gysgod craith.
Yr un sydd wedi ysbrydoli fwyaf ydy fy nhymneithar Rhif Thomas. Mae hi wedi gweithio'n ddiflino yn casglu arian at elusennau.
She actually inspired me to go into creative writing as well.
Ni wnawn wrth ffoi am byth ond ffwdan ffôl ond llithro i'r llynnoddwch mawr yn ôl.
If it wasn't for that confidence and instilling that idea of self-belief and making me see the world in kind of a brand new way, then I don't think I'd be doing what I do today.
Allan fyna ti'n gafel ni, mae yna dywelwch mawr.
Rhif Thomas, hi yw fy ysbrydoliaeth yn bywyd.